guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This is Jen's Happy Home, and today I thought it would be fun to share with you guys what is in my purse real life. So I just want to let you guys know it is the end of the summer. We're getting ready for back to school, and we had so much travel this past summer that I did not want to use one of my very nice leather Dooney & Bourke purses because I didn't want them to get ruined. And I know, how silly is it, like when you buy a handbag that you don't want to use on an everyday basis because you're so scared of ruining it. But with just the travel and we went to the Jersey Shore, and then we were on a cruise. We went to Tennessee. We're at our lake house. That's where we are at the end of the summer right now. We're spending the last couple of weeks before school starts at the lake. So I want a purse that I really don't care if I'm caught in a storm and it gets wet, or if I have to put it in the sand on the beach. I need something that is really durable and is going to hold up well for vacation time. So I thought it would be fun to share with you today what is in my real life purse, meaning this purse traveled through all those things I just said, and I have not cleaned it out yet. So it's gonna be a surprise to me, as well as you, what is all in this purse right now. And I'm here at the lake house, and I just felt like filming. I was about to clean out my purse, and I was just thinking this is actually somewhat of an interesting video. I love seeing people clean out their purse on YouTube. I don't know what it is about that, but I'm very curious to see what types of things kind of take over your handbag, you know, when you're going months without cleaning anything out. So here we go. So this is the bag that I used this whole summer long, and I have shared this bag before. I know I shared it on my favorite travel bags. It's definitely a great bag to travel with. It's very lightweight and easy to pack in with your luggage as well. So let me go ahead and let's look into this bag and see everything that I've collected throughout all of our travels over the summer. All right, here we go. I'm gonna open it up. What I like about this purse is it does have a zipper on top too, so it keeps everything in there, you know, without anything falling out. And let's just take a quick peek at the inside. It is so heavy. I know there's a lot going on in here, guys, so bear with me. Okay, first I have my little Vera Bradley wristlet, which I used so much this summer. You can see I have my Pliables card here. I think that's just a Jersey thing. Pliables is like a place that sells these amazing fruit bowls. They're so good. They have like this coconut base. Anyway, I had them locked down the shore, so I started getting my card stamps so I can get a free one. So this was my little wristlet that I used the whole summer. Worked out great. And of course, lots of receipts, Target receipt, dentist receipt. Oh, here's our debarkation morning information, everything I needed to know when we got off the cruise ship. And then I actually got a coupon from Shutterfly for all of the photos that I bought on our cruise, and this is for a free luggage tag, so that I want to hold on to. So I'm going to make like a garbage pile on this side, and on this side is going to be all the keepers. Okay, I have another receipt. I just never throw out receipts. Okay, so in this little polka dot bag, I don't even know, it's supposed to be for my children's EpiPens, which they are in here. I have 1 and 2 EpiPens, and then I have a lipstick, and then I have some business cards, Band-Aids. Since this purse doesn't have any compartments, I like to have like a clear bag to keep things in that I might need quickly. I have some feminine products in here, some Dramamine, because like I said, we were cruising and a lot of far car rides, so I just wanted to have that on me as well. I've had this forever. I love it. It's my little mermaid mirror that I keep in my purse. And then I actually got these from the hotel room, and they're just makeup remover wipes, and I just kept them because you never know when you're out and about and you need to take off your makeup if you're swimming at a pool or something and your mascara smears. It's nice to have. And then I have a nail file, and I have a Carnival pen. Okay, so that's what is in my little zipper bag here, and I'll put all that back because that is stuff that I still may need. And once the kids start school, I think I'm going to go back to my favorite vacation club, Dooney and Burke. I'll link that video above. I love it so much, but like I said, I just did not want it to get ruined over the summer months with everything going on. Okay, so then I have this little Vera Bradley notepad, and it has the rubber band for closure. It has a little pen on the side, which comes in handy. And then inside just has some lined paper here and some sticky notes here. So that I'm going to keep in my bag. These are all of my lake house keys, so since we're at the lake right now, I needed those. What else? Oh, these are so cute. So I recently, here's a receipt from the post office. I had to pay my annual fee for my P.O. box. So I do have a P.O. box, guys. I love getting personal letters, cards, postcards, holiday cards from you guys. There's just something so special, even still, about receiving mail. It's so exciting to me. So drop me a note, I would love it. And I have these adorable Scooby-Doo stamps that I picked up while I was there because they were just too cute not to get. So I picked up those and I have them in my purse in case I need to write a letter to someone or pay a bill, which is more likely. I found this bug spray. It is so buggy here at the lake, and it also was in some of the places that we traveled to over the summer, and I don't like using bug spray. I really like to only use natural products, and this seemed really good to me because it's deep free and it's by Baby Organics and it's a natural insect repellent. So I just kept it in my purse because I thought I may need it while we're out doing something, and I just wanted to have it on me. And then I have my Maui Jim sunglasses, an umbrella. This bag is really super heavy, guys, I gotta tell you. But we've been getting so much rain here in New Jersey, and I have just been keeping my umbrella in my bag. I don't normally keep it in my bag. It's usually in my car, but for the last 2 solid weeks, it has been in my purse because I have gotten caught in some pretty good storms. And here is the notebook that fell out of here, so I can put those back together. I have some gum. I have my everyday keys. And on the Carnival ships, you can request free playing cards from the guest services, so I have my playing cards still in my handbag. Me and Madison were playing cards one night. We had a lot of fun doing that. Oh, here's my entire Carnival bill from the end of our trip. They slide you that lovely bill under your door so you can see how much money you spent. And then here's another sunglass case without sunglasses in it, and I actually have no idea where I left these sunglasses. These are my bigger pair, and I don't know where they are. Maybe I'll find them in my purse, we'll see. Okay, what else do I have here? Oh, this is my spa info. When you go to the spa on the cruise ship, they write down like what you need to do, what lotions and potions and things that you should buy from them. So that was my little postcard about that. I have a scrunchie. I have at the bottom of this bag a ton more receipts. A Walmart receipt, McDonald's receipt. I have this wire. I have no idea what I have it for, but that's in there. I still have our Carnival Pride room keys. Oh, I have my ankle bracelet here that I was wearing most of the summer. Okay, and then at the bottom are a couple more lipsticks. I have my MAC lipstick, I have my lip gloss. I like to have lots of choices for lipsticks and lip colors in my purse. And then we're getting to the end, guys. This is like just about it. Okay, I have a hair clip, also a Sharpie, a pencil, and a pen, another hair tie, and then the only pouch in this purse is this little compartment right here. So let's see what I put in there. I'm sure there's something. There's no way I left it empty. Okay, so here is my room key for when we stayed at Music Road in Tennessee. A little thing that we had a pair of earrings on. My daughter, no, I bought a pair of earrings, didn't I? me and my daughter bought earrings on our Tennessee trip, so this is from one of us. I don't know which one. Some money, which I don't know how it didn't end up in my wallet instead. And then one of these little mini lipsticks that I got from Avon, like a whole package of them, and a quarter. And I am pretty sure that is everything in my bag. Yeah, so that's real life, what was collected in my handbag over the summer months and all the travels that we did. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw out all that garbage, put back the important stuff, and probably in another week or two, as we're transferring over into the fall months and I'm done with all of my crazy travel, I'll switch back over to a different purse. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. Please let me know in the comments below, what are some of the maybe odd things that you keep in your purse? Something that most people wouldn't expect that you would have. For me, in this whole debacle of stuff that I have, oh, I forgot to show you this. I also have Advil. I have an Advil in my purse as well. For me, I would say one of the odd things that I have in my purse this summer would be the bug spray. I don't know if everyone keeps bug spray in their purse, but this summer it was necessary, although I haven't even used it yet. But it's good to know I have it in the event that I do. And that's all for today, guys. I really hope that you all had an amazing summer. It went way too fast, as it always does, and hopefully you're all off to a great school year. I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye.